They say the rain started the night. I came back, cold as a grave, and dressed in mourning.
No one saw me riding, just heard the thunder roll and felt the dread settle like smoke. Charlotte, they said, was supposed to be dead, but some wrecking death turned me loose to finish what the law never could have. Rusted gates swung wide at dusk, boots echoed like a ghost soul curse. She rode in black, eyes cold as dusk, her veil still soaked in the preacher's words. A wedding burned, a bride betrayed, a vow turned into an open grave. Now thunder walks the canyon floor, and Charlotte rides to settle the score. Dark rain falls where mercy dies, gunpowder prayers in bloodshot skies. No law can bind what wrath unchained. She's the storm, she's the flame in the dark rain. Charlotte's revenge. He left her with a ring and a lie, buried love neath alibi. They say he runs a border town where silver talks and saints back down. But justice wears a widow's dress with iron eyes and no regrets. She's carved his name into every shell. Tonight she'll walk him into hell. Dark rain falls where mercy dies, gunpowder prayers in bloodshot skies. No law can bind what wrath unchained. She's the storm, she's the flame in the dark rain. Charlotte's revenge. No thunder louder than her cry, no grave can hold a soul denied. She kissed the cross, then cast it. Now even angels step aside. Crimson dusk and velvet black, her shadow long, no turning back. Lace like morning on her breast, a silver rose pinned to her vest. Her corset tied, her gloves are drawn. She rides the storm that vengeance spawned. No chapel